So if I check that, okay, I see it's with the OpenJDK, and it turns out that that is the JDK that was installed. It happened to be on the Linux system that we're using right now. And OpenJDK is not supported by DevTest. So what we've got to do is exporting so that we're using the correct Java version here. So let's do that. We export the path. Look at this, okay. And the Java version is now correct. So that's that. So at this point, we're ready to move on with configuring and starting components. For more detailed information about this product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page. From there, you can visit product documentation, support, communities, or see the learning paths.